This video offers a detailed walkthrough on setting up a Google project to generate the client ID and client secret keys, enabling the connection of your website to Google Sheets documents. Initially, we will navigate to the Spreadsheet integration menu option and proceed to click on the link directing us to the Google Developers Console. In the Google Console, we will create a new project for use with a plugin. As the project name, you can enter the text of your choice. The following crucial step in setting up the project involves choosing the necessary APIs and services that the plugin relies on, specifically the Google Sheets and Drive APIs. Once the Google Sheets and Drive APIs have been selected, we will proceed to generate the credentials for our project. Select the User Data option to create an OAuth client. Provide the desired application name and associated email addresses for support and contact. For the OAuth Client ID section, select the Web Application option from the application type list. Next, we need to input the URLs for the authorized JavaScript origins and authorized redirect URIs. Both URLs can be copied from the plugin settings page on your website. As the application scopes enable access to Drive files and Google Sheets documents, you need to enter the account email address you intend to connect to the application by navigating to the OAuth Consent Screen menu option. Now we can get the client ID and client secret keys that need to be entered on the website to enable access to the Google application. Lastly, we will click the Generate Token button to finalize the integration between the website and the Google application. That's it. You can now proceed to your form settings to choose the Google Sheets document and map the form fields to the corresponding document cells.